Nucleo Cmp Forte capsule contains Cytidine and Uridine as active ingredients. Indications: treatment of neuropathies of osteoarticular, sciatica, radiculitis, etc., metabolic, diabetic, alcohol polyneuritis, infectious, herpes zoster and frigore, neuralgia of the facial, trigeminal, intercostal, lumbago. How to use: use Nucleo Cmp Forte as directed by a doctor. Check the label on the medicine for exact dosing instructions. Take Nucleo Cmp Forte by mouth with or without food. If you are also taking a bisphosphonate, take Nucleo Cmp Forte at least 2 hours after you take the bisphosphonate. If you are also taking a quinol antibiotic or tetracycline antibiotic, ask a doctor or pharmacist how to take them with Nucleo Cmp Forte. If you miss a dose of Nucleo Cmp Forte for 1 or more days, there is no cause for concern. If your doctor recommends that you take it, try to remember your dose every day. Dosage: adults 1 or 2 capsules 2 times daily. Children 1 capsule 2 times daily as prescribed by a physician. Contraindications: some medical conditions may interact with Nucleo Cmp Forte. Tell a doctor or pharmacist if you have any medical conditions, especially if any of the following apply to you. If you are pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. If you are taking any prescription or non-prescription medicine, herbal preparation or dietary supplement. If you have allergies to medicines, foods, or other substances. If you have anemia, liver problems, or metabolism problems. Precautions: some medicines may interact with Nucleo Cmp Forte. Tell your healthcare provider if you are taking any other medicines, especially any of the following: acitretin or anticoagulants, because the risk of their side effects may be increased by Nucleo Cmp Forte; levodopa or penicillamine, because their effectiveness may be decreased by Nucleo Cmp Forte. Nucleo Cmp Forte side effects: all medicines may cause side effects, but many people have no or minor side effects. No common side effects have been reported with this product. Seek medical attention right away if any of these severe side effects occur. Severe allergic reactions.